Hello everyone. In today's session, we try to understand the importance of problem solving and programming. Especially, we are trying to understand what exactly is logic based programming, in short LBP. So friends, importance of problem solving and programming plays a very important role in building your careers in product based companies, especially the FANG companies, FAANG, right? The premier recruiters in IT sector: Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, Google. Together it's called as FANG. So, in order to build your companies in FANG companies, build your career in FANG based companies or other product based companies, you need to have sound knowledge in problem solving. You should be a great problem solver. And logic based programming helps you in improving your problem solving and programming. So, as part of LBP, logic based programming, right, we will be focusing on problem solving strategies. So, first of all, why problem solving is important? It develops your logical and analytical thinking capabilities, right? Logic based programming helps you in developing your logical and analytical thinking. It helps in breaking complex problems into smaller ones, improves your decision making ability, and the core skill demanded by tech companies is nothing but the problem solving skill. And hence, problem solving is very important. What is the role of programming? Programming is secondary, my dear friends. Without any confusion, without any ambiguity, without any doubt, I am telling you, programming is secondary. The primary capability is your problem solving ability. Problem solving is a skill. Suppose if you have a solution to a problem, you can convert that into a program in any language. Programming language is just a medium of representing your instructions. So, the role of programming is to convert your ideas into real world solutions. Programming helps you in automating the repetitive and the complex tasks. And of course, it's a backbone for software applications and platforms. It helps you in innovation and scalability. Means scalability means as the size of the program or the problem increases, programming language helps you in solving complex problems. But ultimately, the role of programming is only to represent your instructions so that the computer can understand. But much before that, you need the ability to solve the problems. Once you have solved the problem, converting it into a program is not a big deal. Problem solving plus programming. So, friends, this is what is the core ability. So, programming is always the secondary need. The primary skill is problem solving because there is no rule that a person working in C language will always work in C language forever. Programming languages will change down the line after 5 years and 10 years. You may be working on new programming languages which are not there today, but your ability to solve problems will help you in using any programming language. So, problem solving is the skill. Programming and problem solving, it's a great combination to build your career in any IT sector. So, strong foundation, what is required? Strong foundation in algorithms and data structures. Strong foundation in algorithms and data structures is something which is very important. Friends, you need to have better debugging skills, right? How to debug a program. you need to have better debugging skills and optimization skills. Optimization means how to write a better program. So we talk about how to write a better program. We talk about optimizing when we know only how to measure the performance of a program. Performance of a program is measured with respect to time and space. So we will be discussing about time and space. We also talk about optimization in detail down the line as part of this logic based programming course. And when you know how to optimize your program, then you will get that ability to design efficient solutions. So, friends, for example, you have solved a problem by writing 15 lines of code, and same problem I have solved it by writing 10 lines of code. Then, obviously, the code which I have written seems to be more efficient, and if it really consumes less execution time, then the code written by me is more efficient. So ability to design efficient solutions, you get this skill only when you know how to optimize, how to debug your programs. So friends, you need to have this industry ready mindset. How you will have industry ready mindset? When you have solved very complex problems, when you have solved problems which are real world problems. So LBP, logic based programming, will help you in solving real world problems. We will be introducing lot of problems from the industry, from the top notch recruiters, and we'll try to solve them as part of this LBP course, and will help you in improving your problem solving ability. So, as I mentioned, FANG companies Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, Google. So, what is the roadmap? One need to have strong program problem solving skills, excellent coding ability, data structures and algorithms, clear thinking, and communication. Here, communication doesn't mean your English communication skills, sir. Communication means when you convert that problem solving, whatever solution you have derived or whatever steps you have derived to solve a problem, you need to communicate, you need to convert that into set of instructions. For example, I have written an algorithm in plain English to solve a problem, then I need to represent it properly in programming language like Java, Python, C, C++, whatever it is. So the process of representing our instructions properly using any programming language is also part of the communication. And of course, during your interviews, you need to have great oral communication skills. But this is what is the roadmap for product based companies or FANG companies, my dear friends. We'll move on. I would like to introduce a word called as competitive programming. This is a buzzword in the industry, especially in product based companies. So, competitive programming deals with that complex problem solving skills, and using competitive programming, these product based companies or FANG companies, they try to test your skills in competitive programming, and logic based programming helps you in marching towards something called as competitive programming. It will take a lot of time for you to become master or excel in competitive programming, but the first step in competitive programming is logic based programming or LBP. So, career opportunities in FANG, you can become a software development engineer SDE, a data engineer, machine learning engineer, cloud and platform engineer, and even in the security and infrastructure domain, people need lot of problem solving skills, and there is a demand for a person with good problem solving ability across different domains in the industry. So, what are the key skills? Programming, as I said, programming is just a medium to represent your instructions. Programming language, you can be, uh, you know, expert or master of any one of the programming language, C, C++, Java, Python, or any other language. But data structures and algorithms, data structures data structures help you in representing your data or logically arranging your data. Data structure is the logical arrangement of data such that you can efficiently use the computing resources. So for any given problem, you will be dealing with data, and you have to decide what is the most suitable data structure. So knowing and selecting an appropriate data structure, implementing the data structure is another very important, unavoidable skill which everyone need to learn, or everyone need to master this skill. So data structures and algorithms. Then comes your competitive programming practice. And of course, at UG level, you need to have little bit of system design. So whenever you will be doing some project work as part of your academic activity, you will get an opportunity to get some awareness on system design as well. So friends, this is the roadmap for UG students. Year wise, first year you learn certain basic programming and problem solving skills. Then comes data structures. Then start working on coding platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, CodeChef, etc. Then in your third year, probably you work on advanced data structures, and finally you will be ready for FANG level, what we say, programming rounds or interviews, then followed by your mock interviews, etc., as part of your placement activity. But this is a roadmap for UG students. Popular coding platforms: LeetCode, HackerRank, CodeChef, Geeks for Geeks, etc. But please observe, LBP, logic based programming, as part of LBP, we will be discussing hundreds of problems, hundreds of problems which were collected from various popular coding platforms and from the previous exams conducted by these popular recruiters like Facebook, Netflix, Google, Amazon, Apple, JP Morgan, EPAM, etc. So, logic based programming is not just an ordinary course, my dear friends. Logic based programming is the first step in building your career to crack a product based company, job opportunity, or a quality placement. So, I hope you understood the importance of logic based programming, and in this LBP course, we will try to solve maximum problems, and we try to build our ability in problem solving, and we try to march towards competitive programming. So, to kickstart problem solving plus programming is nothing but your career growth. So, to quick kickstart and begin your career in competitive programming, you need to start early. That is what I hope you are doing it with LBP, and you have to practice consistently. So, friends, logic based programming or problem solving is a skill which you don't get in one day. You have to practice consistently. You have to practice consistently. It's like, two problems a day or three problems a day. Until unless you don't practice consistently, you don't master this particular skill, and you always need to aim high. You need to target product based companies, you need to target big companies. Once you have this good problem solving ability, definitely you are eligible to get a quality placement. So friends, with this, I welcome you all to LBP course, and we will uh, start implementing LBP. We will start solving problems in our course as part of this course, and I hope this particular course called as logic based programming will not only help in improving your skills, but also it will give you a great learning experience. Thank you.